Hello, sweet souls.
Hello.
JuicyMagiK on the go. We're going to do a little kirtan. Maria, Srimati Dasi's going to lead.
Yeah, I just wanted to sing my favorite one today.
Okay, Haribo. What are the lyrics?
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Yeah, in nature, it's kind of a very special thing. So I start and you follow.
And then we chant back and she listens.
Yeah. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Haribo.
Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Haribo.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Haribo.
Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Haribo.
Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Haribo!
Haribo, Itaigo, Haribo, Haribo, Itaigo. Thank you for chanting with us today. Thank you for leading Srimati Dasi. Very nice.
It's such a nice environment.
All glory to Shri Guru and Gauranga.
Haribo.
And here we have beautiful Mother Nature. It's just all kinds of nice negative ions. The air feels supercharged with good feelings.
The jungle is full of life.
It is. It's a beautiful place.
Some fishies were biting me.
3 times. She shrieked. Ah! And it was fun to watch. I'm glad it wasn't piranha though.
Yeah. So swim with us. Swimming is really nice.
Love it. Now we're gonna go and guess it's Odyssey. We're doing a partial fast today, but we're gonna have some guacamole, which is Odyssey friendly. No grains or greens or there's lots of other little things. You can take it to the 10th degree if you want. But yeah, it's gonna be fun to have some guacamole. I haven't eaten really much today, so had a little bit of milk this morning. Anyway, bye, Bo. Hare Krishna.
See you in a bit.
Thanks for joining us.